Hello, and thanks for stopping by the channel today. This is the Priceless Pearl Life, and I am Katrina Johnson. In today's video, it's an open collaboration entitled Our Summer Kitchen Vignette. This collaboration is hosted by Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme by Leona, Dooley. So here are some of the items I will be using for today's styling. A porcelain towel, a couple of signs, E6000 for DIY, and these white vases and pictures that I DIY'd. My famous white ginger jar from Ross, more florals. This candle from Dollar General, and these kitchen towels. So Miss Dooley requested that we use a tray for this vignette, and I've been using my porcelain towel for over a year now. So I thought, let's DIY it and turn it into a tray. The hardware was purchased from my local Lowe's, and E6000 to the rescue. A quick, easy DIY. So after a quick cleaning and placing my tray, I will start with my floral arrangement. You will see me turn this floral arrangement around several times because I want to make sure whether you're in the kitchen or the family room, the view is always beautiful. Again, I would like to thank Miss Dooley for the opportunity to participate in today's open collaboration. And since you're here, go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead, give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. You know, thumbs up and comments help my channel to grow. They help my channel out tremendously. So I already thank you in advance for helping me to grow. I purchased this picture and this small vase from a thrift shop months ago, and I knew today would be the perfect day to upcycle them for this summer vignette collaboration. So the next time you see that object in the thrift store, don't see it for what it is, but see it for what it can become. am Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, and a pastor. And on my channel, it's a lifestyle channel. And I love sharing my love for all things home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, singing, basketball, and so much more. So come on and become a part of my YouTube family. Here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. But don't be a stranger. Take this opportunity to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. And to all of my loyal subscribers, you know what I say. Welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. Till next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video. Videos are posted on Tuesday and Fridays, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more videos sprinkled in between. Make sure you watch my summer living room video, as well as my summer dining room video. I promise you will not be disappointed. We did it together. My channel has reached over 500 subscribers. And as promised, that $100 giveaway is coming real soon. So make sure your post notification is set to all. That's ALL. So you don't miss the exciting news of who will win this gift card. Again, to all of my subscribers, old or new, thank you so much. We're growing this community together.